Pumpkin personalized Halloween treat bag. We ordered these bags for our kids to use for Halloween and they are adorable and made very well. I'm excited to see our kids use these bags year after year. Such a cute personalized trick or treat bag for my grandson. Love it. I love this bag. I purchased one for my granddaughter and friend's little boy. We love it. I order from here all the time and have never been disappointed with any of my purchases. Mini Halloween flashlight on a rope. Ordered these for my niece and nephew and they were a huge hit. Miss Pumpkin embroidered plush trick or treat bag. This is the third pumpkin basket I've bought and all have been adorable. Quick turnaround on ordering also. Pumpkin Pal embroidered plush trick or treat bag. Love it. My son like it a lot. Very light to carry around and love the design.